Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage DeFi investments with BlockFi, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the BlockFi website and create an account. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Next, verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Follow the link to activate your BlockFi account. Proceed to enter your personal information, including your full name and address. Complete the identity verification process by uploading the required documents, such as your ID and proof of address. Once verified, log into your BlockFi account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. To make your first investment, click on the deposit option. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit from the list available. Follow the instructions to transfer your crypto from your wallet to BlockFi. After your deposit has been confirmed, you'll see the funds reflected in your BlockFi account. To explore earning interest, click on the Earn feature. Review the interest rates for the different cryptocurrencies available for earning. Select the asset you want to earn interest on and confirm your choice. Your funds will now start accruing interest automatically. To track your investments, return to the dashboard regularly. Use the portfolio section to monitor your asset performance. If you wish to withdraw, click on the Withdraw option. Choose the amount and the cryptocurrency you'd like to withdraw. Enter your external wallet address carefully to ensure accuracy. Confirm the withdrawal details and submit your request. Keep an eye on the withdrawal status in your account. Utilize the educational resources and tools provided by BlockFi to stay informed. Engage with the community forums or support channels for any questions or concerns. Always consider the risks associated with DeFi investing and manage your assets wisely. Review your investment strategy periodically to adapt to changing market conditions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.